Welcome to Peak English, listening channel. Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at a conversation at the airport. In this video, you will follow Alex and Amelia. They are starting their exciting trip to London today. You will hear natural and simple English expressions. You can use these expressions when you travel by plane. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax. Just enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. This is your listening challenge. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What is the weight limit for the suitcase? I will say it again. What is the weight limit for the suitcase? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in the comments section. I personally reply to your answers. I am looking forward to reading your comments. All right. Are you ready? Their big adventure is about to begin. Let's start the video.
Oh my God! We are finally here. I love airports so much.
Me too. It feels like a big adventure is starting right now. The airport is so big.
Look at all the people. There are so many people everywhere.
Yeah. Everyone is going somewhere exciting. I wonder where they are all going. Maybe some of them are going to the beach.
Maybe some people are going to Europe. Some people are going to Asia. Who knows?
That is so exciting to think about. Wait, listen. Can you hear the announcements?
Yes, I can hear them. They are calling flight numbers. They are calling gate changes.
I love that sound. It makes me feel like I am really traveling.
I know what you mean. So, are you ready for our trip to London?
Of course I am. I have been waiting for this trip for weeks. For weeks and weeks.
Me too. I think this is going to be an amazing trip.
I packed everything last night. I was too excited to sleep.
Really? I packed everything 3 days ago. I did not want to forget anything.
That is smart. Where should we go first? We need to check in, right?
Yes. Let's find the check-in area first.
Look up there. There is a sign.
I see it. It says departures.
Let's go this way.
Okay, I can see the check-in kiosks over there. We can check in by ourselves.
There is a line, but it does not look too long.
Great. That is good. Let's go before it gets longer.
I am so excited. I really cannot believe we are actually doing this.
Believe it. This is real. Our trip starts right now.
You are right. Okay, let's not waste any more time. Let's go check in.
Let's do it. Follow me. Here's an empty machine. Let's scan our passports.
Here is my passport. I will scan it first.
Okay. The screen says we are going to London. It asks how many bags we have.
There are 2 of us. I have 1 suitcase. You have 1 suitcase. So, 2 bags in total.
Yes, I will press 2. Now we need to weigh the bags. Amelia, put your bag on the scale first.
Okay, here I go. It is heavy. What does the screen say?
It says your bag is 15 kilograms. That is perfect.
Great. Now it is your turn, Alex. Put your bag on the scale.
Sure. Here you go. Oh no. There is a red light on the screen.
What does it mean? Let me read the screen. Oh, your bag is a little heavy.
Oh, really? Is it too heavy? I am sorry.
The screen says the weight limit is 23 kilograms. Your bag is 24 kilograms. So it is 1 kilogram over the limit.
Oh, no. I think I packed too many things. Do I need to take something out?
Yes, you have to take something out. The machine will not print the tag. The limit is exactly 23 kilograms.
Okay, let me open my suitcase. I will take out my heavy winter jacket. I will wear it instead.
That is a good idea. But you will be very warm in here.
It is okay. Let me weigh the bag again. Look, the light is green now.
Let me see. Yes, it is 22 kilograms now. Perfect.
The machine is printing our tags. And here are our boarding passes. Here is your boarding pass, Amelia.
Thank you very much. What is our gate number?
Let me check. Our gate number is B12. It is in Terminal 2.
Terminal 2, Gate B12. Got it. We need to go through security first. Then we follow the signs to Terminal 2.
Exactly. Boarding starts about 30 minutes before departure. We have plenty of time.
Let's go to security check. Follow the sign over there.
Alex and Amelia walk to the security check. There are many people in line.
Okay, we are in line for security. It is moving fast.
Do you have your liquids in a clear plastic bag?
Yes, I do. They are in my backpack.
Good. Remember to take out your laptop, too.
I will put my laptop in a bin. I need to take off my shoes as well.
I am taking off my jacket. I will put my phone in the bin.
Okay, I am walking through the metal detector. Beep. Oh, I forgot my belt. Sorry, let me take off my belt.
Don't forget your watch either.
Right, my watch. Okay, walking through again. No beep this time.
Awesome. I am coming through too. All clear. Let's grab our bags and get dressed.
Okay, we are through security. That was not too bad. Now we just have to find Gate B12.
Wait a minute. B12? That sounds really far away from here. We are in Terminal 1 right now.
Yeah, it is all the way in Terminal 2. This airport is really, really huge.
I knew it was big, but I did not think it was this big. We have to walk so much.
I know. But don't worry. We still have plenty of time. We have about 2 hours.
2 hours sounds like a lot of time. But look at how long this hallway is. It goes on forever.
Yeah, it is very long. But the signs say B gates are that way. Just follow the yellow sign.
Okay, good. At least we know which direction to go, but my legs are already tired.
Already? We just started walking.
I know, but we also walked a lot from the parking lot, and we were standing in line at security.
That is true. Oh, look over there. There is a moving walkway. Let's take it.
Oh, yes, please. That helps so much. My feet are thanking you.
See? Now, and we are not even trying.
This is so much better. I love moving walkways. I wish the whole airport had moving walkways everywhere.
That would be really nice. Oh, I can see a sign. It says Terminal 2 up ahead.
Really? Oh, good. We are almost there. I can also see a sign that says B Gates.
Great. We are going the right way. Just a little more walking after this.
I was a little worried we were lost, but I feel better now.
We are doing fine. Do not worry about a thing. Come on, let's keep going.
Okay. Next time, I want a gate that is closer to the entrance.
Me too. But at least we are getting some exercise today.
That is one way to think about it. Oh, look out the big window. Look at that plane over there. It is so big.
Wow, you are right. That is huge. It is one of the biggest planes I have ever seen.
I love watching planes. I could stand here and watch them all day long.
It really is fun to watch, isn't it? Look, that one over there is taking off right now.
Oh, wow. Look at it go. It is going up into the sky so fast.
Yeah, it is really amazing. It is cool when you see it up close like this.
I wonder where that plane is going. Maybe it is going to Paris. Or maybe Rome.
That would be so nice. I really want to go to Paris someday.
Me too. We should plan that for our next trip. Oh, look at that small plane over there.
Yeah, I see it. It looks like it is getting ready to leave. The airport workers are driving small cars around it.
I cannot wait to get on our plane. How much longer do we have to wait?
About an hour and a half. Our plane should already be at Gate B12.
I feel like a little kid right now. Everything is just so exciting.
Me too. I think there is something really special about airports.
I totally agree. Oh, look! Another plane is coming in. It is coming in for a landing right now.
Oh, nice. It is getting closer and closer. It touched the ground. I wonder what country it came from.
It could be from anywhere in the world. That is what makes it so exciting.
The world is so big, and airports connect all of it together. I think that is really beautiful.
That is a beautiful way to think about it, Alex. Okay, should we go find our gate now?
Yes, let's go. But first, do you want to stop at the lounge for a bit? We have access to the airport lounge today.
Oh, yes. That is a great idea. Let's go.
Alex and Amelia walk into the airport lounge. It is very peaceful inside.
Wow. This lounge is so nice and quiet. It is so different from the rest of the airport.
I know, right? It is really comfortable in here. I really like this place.
Let's sit over there. The chairs look so soft. Oh, they are comfortable. I could easily fall asleep right here.
Please do not fall asleep. We still have a plane to catch.
Don't worry. I promise I won't. Hey, can we eat something here?
Yes, we can. Everything here is free.
Wait, really? Everything is free? That is amazing.
Yes, really. That is one of the best things about this lounge. The food is included.
What kind of food do they have? I am getting a little hungry.
Let me go look. Okay, I see the buffet. They have sandwiches, salad, and fresh fruit. They also have cookies and some other snacks.
Oh, that all sounds so good. What about drinks?
They have coffee, tea, and juice. They have water and some soft drinks, too.
Perfect. I think I will get some orange juice. And I want some fresh fruit.
Good choice. I will get some coffee and maybe a chicken sandwich.
Sounds good. Oh, let's sit by the big window. We can still see the planes outside.
Great idea. I will grab the food and meet you there.
Okay, I will save our seats.
Here you go. I got your orange juice. I got some grapes and strawberries for you.
Oh, thank you so much. This juice looks so fresh and delicious.
My coffee is really good too. Nice and hot. Just the way I like it.
This is the perfect way to start a trip, don't you think?
I completely agree. Let's just relax here for a little while.
Yes, let's enjoy this quiet time. This is really, really nice.
It is. We should enjoy every moment of this trip.
You are so right. I am really happy right now.
Me too. Oh, but we should keep an eye on the time. We do not want to miss our flight.
Good point. What time do we need to be at the gate?
Boarding starts 30 minutes before departure, so we should leave here in about 15 minutes.
Okay, that is still plenty of time. Let's finish our food slowly and enjoy it.
Sounds like a perfect plan to me. I am really glad we came here.
Me too. This was a great idea.
Time passes quickly. Alex and Amelia walk to their gate.
All right, here we are. Gate B12. We finally found it.
We made it! And look, we still have some time before boarding starts.
That is good. Look at all the people sitting here. They are all waiting for the same flight.
They are all going to London, too. That is so cool.
Oh, look through the window. I can see our plane. It is right there at the gate.
Oh, that is our plane. Wow, it looks really big from here.
Yeah, it does. I have to say, I am getting a little nervous now.
You are? Why are you nervous?
I am not sure. I always get a little nervous before a flight. It is just a habit, I think.
That is completely normal. A lot of people feel the same way, but it is going to be totally fine.
You are right. Thanks, Amelia. Oh, wait, listen. They are making an announcement right now.
They are calling our flight number! They said boarding will begin in just a few minutes.
Oh, wow. This is really happening now. I can feel my heart beating faster.
Me too. But in a good way. It is excitement, not fear. Are you ready?
I am ready. How about you? Are you ready?
I am so ready. I have been ready all morning. Let's get in line.
Okay, they are starting to board now. Let's go.
This is going to be the best trip ever. I can feel it.
I think so too. Come on, let's get our things and join the line.
Right behind you. Let's go. This is it, Alex. We are really about to get on the plane.
I know. This is really happening. Do you have your boarding pass ready?
Yes, it is right here in my hand. See?
Good. I have mine too. Let's give them to the staff at the door.
Okay, here we go. Scanning the pass. Beep. Great. That was so easy.
Now we just walk down this long bridge, and we will be right on the plane.
I can already see the door of the plane from here. It is right at the end.
Me too. We are so close now. Just a few more steps.
I am so incredibly happy right now. This trip is going to be wonderful. I just know it.
I feel the same way. Let's make amazing memories together on this trip.
Yes, absolutely. Let's have the best trip of our lives.
We will. I am sure of it. I have a really good feeling about this. Thank you so much for coming with me, Amelia. It would not be as fun without you.
Of course. I would never miss a trip like this. Not in a million years. This is going to be so much fun.
All right, then. Let's get on the plane. Our big adventure starts right now.
Yes, let's go. I'm so ready. Here we go. London, we are coming.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. You did a great job listening. Now, let me ask the question one more time. What is the weight limit for the suitcase? Did you get it right? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Try to write a simple sentence in English. Writing a simple sentence helps you improve very fast. I personally reply to the comments, so I am looking forward to seeing your answers. By practicing English output like this, you will learn quickly. You can improve your English more efficiently. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories. They help you build listening and speaking skills naturally. I will keep uploading videos like this. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to Peak English. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Alright, that is all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.